Hey everyone, this video will show you how to create these two beautiful side braids using the Diva Divine 5-clip ear-to-ear volumizer. So if you want to know how I've created them, please keep on watching. So before we get started, comb all your hair thoroughly using a wide tooth comb, making sure there are no tangles. Part a 2 to 3 inch section just like this. And do a regular 3-strand braid where the right goes over the middle and then the left goes over the middle. Do this twice and then add a section of hair from the front into the middle section and braid that normally. Once again, take a section from the front and add that to the middle section and braid normally. Continue adding sections till you reach below the ear and then just do a regular 3-strand braid. When you reach halfway till the middle, stop and secure it with a rubber band. Now take the braid behind and just pull some hair away. Take a tic-tac pin and secure the braid. And cover it with some hair. Now take the rest of the hair into a side ponytail. Make an opening in the center and flip the ponytail inwards and pull tight. Once again, leave some space and secure it with a rubber band. Make an opening and flip the ponytail inwards. Repeat the exact same thing and make sure to leave some space between the flip-ins to achieve a shape like this. Pull on it slightly to fan it out. And because I have that extra length with the hair extensions, I'm gonna do one more section and open it out slightly. Now I am just gonna go in and pull on the braid slightly so that everything looks nice and even. And this is how it looks, and I love the fact that something this easy can actually look good enough to be worn at a party or a festive gathering. Now moving on to the second one. Take a side parting and just start twisting your hair from the right side. And while twisting, add sections of hair from the front into the twist. And twist normally. Once you reach the back, just secure that with a bobby pin, moving it inwards. And this is how it looks from the sides. Repeat the exact same thing on the other side, securing it with a bobby pin. And this is how it should look from the front and back. Now take the rest of your hair into a ponytail. And wrap a section of hair around the rubber band. Divide the ponytail into 3 equal halves and do a regular 3-strand braid, where the right goes over the middle and then the left goes over the middle. And that's all you need to do. Braid it all the way till the bottom so you get a really nice finish. Secure the ends with a rubber band. Now just go in and pull on the braid and fan it out slightly for that perfect finish and thickness. And that's how it looks, and you can't even tell that I'm wearing hair extensions in my hair. I love how easily I could clip the Diva Divine hair extensions in and create my hairstyles that look so much more voluminous and the braids pop even more. These beautiful hair extensions can be purchased online or in a Diva Divine boutique in Delhi or Mumbai. For more information, visit divadivinehair.co.in.